That's a major company, and they don't want nothing to do with any sort of controversy.
It struck me as really strange because you'd think the FBI would just say we analyzed it and didn't find anything, or they would just say it's not really fabric from the hangar. But for them to, it just...
God damn it.
Yeah, that's actually a good point. You think they would just straight up lie about the whole thing.
Right, and be like, this isn't really... God damn it, Agent ETA.
I'm so sorry. I had a sneeze fit, man.
You all right over there?
That came out of nowhere, dude. Just all of a sudden, you're just like, hey, here's what's happening. Boom, sneeze fit.
You're ruining my monologue. It's my first time.
I apologize profusely. Wait.
It's probably the COVID, just saying.
Yeah. It's
not over.
It's going around.
Oh, did you hear it? That was definitely a COVID sneeze.
Okay.
I hope there's no one there with you for you to infect.
I'm so sorry.
But I actually might not edit those out. Those are some pretty entertaining sneezes. He's still sneezing.
Oh my gosh! Should we call the cops? Do you need us to call 911?
The paramedics.
You okay? Can we continue?
He's been sniffing dust from the windowsill.
So close. I was so close to a sneeze there.
Way too much information.
Dude, my bad.